5 benefits of coconut oil for hair. There are adverse benefits of coconut oil, but in this video, I will be showing you 5 benefits of coconut oil for hair. 1. Deep condition. Hair conditioners often contain coconut oil because it easily penetrates the strands and can even prevent protein loss. Apply a quarter-sized dollop to your hair, comb it, and then pile it into a loose bun. You'll want to place a soft towel over your pillow or sleep in a shower cap. In the morning, rinse with a gentle shampoo. 2. Create a DIY hair mask. Soften locks with a spa-worthy hair mask. Mix 3 to 5 tablespoons of organic, refined coconut oil, in its liquid state, with 20 drops of rosemary oil. Massage onto hair and cover with a shower cap. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then shampoo out. 3. Tame frizz. If you struggle with taming your mane, coconut oil can definitely help. Rub a small bit of coconut oil between the pads of your fingers and run through particularly frizzy areas to leave hair looking smooth and polished. As an alternative to straight oil, you can also use frizz-fighting serums that contain coconut oil to nourish and strengthen hair. 4. Add shine. Smooth a tiny amount of organic coconut oil onto the ends of your hair to add a little shine if you have dark hair. Remember that a dab will do you, any more than that and your hair might appear greasy. 5. Minimize dandruff. Coconut oil can help lower the levels of yeast on the skin that drive inflammation, flaking, and itching associated with dandruff. Try minimizing the problem with an ultra-moisturizing coconut oil treatment. Heat 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil on the stove over a low flame. Once it liquefies, immediately remove it from the stove, so it doesn't become too hot. Then, massage the oil into your scalp. If you have any leftover oil, you can use it to coat the rest of your hair. Let the oil sit on your scalp for 30 minutes and then wash it out with shampoo. A shower cap will contain the mixture and prevent it from dripping on you while you wait.